Paisabazaar, one of India's leading insurtech platforms owned by PB Fintech, recently received notices from the Income Tax Department. These notices are related to vendor payments and their associated entities. One of the notices is issued under the Prohibition of Benami Property Transition Act 1988 and Section 142(1) of the Income Tax Act 1961. The notice was issued by Deputy Director of Income Tax and Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax in Delhi. The authorities are seeking explanations and documents about payments made to certain vendors and their related entities. Paisabazaar has clarified that it is cooperating fully with the authorities and will provide the required information within the prescribed timelines. The company has assured stakeholders that it is taking all necessary steps to present and defend its case. Earlier this year, PB Fintech was flagged for regulatory lapses including non-compliance with KYC requirements. In June, the company's chairperson and CEO, Yashish Dahiya, received a show-cause notice from SEBI regarding a $2 million investment in Dubai-based company. Adding to these challenges, Singapore-based T-Mask Holding recently sold its entire 5.42% stake in PB Fintech for INR 2,425 crores, raising questions about investor confidence. Despite these issues, PB Fintech reported a profit of 37.2 crores in Q3 financial year 2024, marking a significant turnaround from a loss in the previous quarter. Revenue grew by 43% year-on-year to 871 crore, driven by strong performances in its core online businesses, Policybazaar and Paisabazaar. The scrutiny on Paisabazaar is part of a broader wave of regulatory challenges faced by fintech companies in India. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India barred Paytm Payments Bank from key operations, highlighting the increasing focus on compliance in the sector. Paisabazaar remains committed to addressing these concerns and continues to focus on its growth and profitability.